Good day, viewers at home. You're welcome to my channel. This is Headway Stitches. Today, I would like to share a secret with you based on my own personal experience in cutting some color of fabrics. Did you know, or probably you have observed too, that while cutting some colors of fabrics like color whites, cream color, butter color, and some other colors, irrespective of the thickness of the material, they are always transparent. And it is always good to check the transparency of every materials you want to cut before you start cutting it, so that at the end of the day it will not run the final loops of your work, and which can at the end of the day damage the fabrics or your tell on your reputation. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you a simple trick, or let me say, I'm going to teach you a simple trick to discover the transparency of a material so that you will not be caught unaware. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a useful video, you will get notified. And if you are a returning, I always appreciate you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support so far. Don't forget to like and share. And if eventually you later try this method and you discover whatever you discover, please don't let me know in the comment section. Drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this tutorial and the results you get. If my claim is always true or it is only true for some materials. But white, butter, cream, irrespective of the thickness of the material, I have observed that they are always transparent. So let's go to the table now and see the simple trick on how to discover that. So let's go. So you're welcome here. So I have these different colors with me. I have butter color, I have white color, and I have something like off white, cream color. So I'll be testing the transparency of these fabrics. So before you do that, you make sure you iron the fabric so that everything be very neat. So after that, what you are going to do is just that make sure you place a don't look through it. If you look through it like this, you may not see whether it is transparent or not. If you look through it, you may not see whether it is transparent, although it might stick, but there is a way of checking it. So what you are going to do is that just make sure you get a flashy color, a flashy object like this. So you have a flashy color like this, then you place it under the fabric. You can see when you place it under the fabric, you are going to see through whether it is transparent or not. If your customer is putting an underwear under that trouser, a flashy underwear under that trouser, it is definitely going to show. Look at it. I don't know if my camera shows very well. You can see that it is you can see the traces of the scissors I put under. So with this simple trick, you can discover whether a fabric is transparent or not. So let me pick another color. So if I pick this one is a peach color. This is a peach color. If I put this, you can see that you cannot see through this one. You can't see the traces of the color I put under. So let's check some other colors. Look at this one. Even before ironing, I can see the traces. I can see the traces. So let's check this. All these materials, they are thick materials. They are thick materials. You can see them. They are thick materials. They are stock materials. So look at this one. This one is also a stock. This one is actually German wool. They call it German wool here. So when you iron it like this, Then when you place this under it, you can see. I don't know if you can see clearly. Can you see it now? So with this simple trick, don't assume that your fabric is thick. So just because it is thick, it cannot be transparent. No. So make sure you always get a flashing material and put it under to check the transparency of your fabrics. So I hope this tip or trick is helpful. If you have found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and then don't forget to share to others so that they can benefit. And then please, I would like to have your opinion in the comment section. Try this out with some other colors, and then let's have the results. Thank you so much. And then don't forget, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And then don't forget to put on the notification bell so that each time I upload a useful video like this, you will always get notified. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.